Hello everybody, how y'all doing today? I'm in the high tunnel. It's been raining off and on for 2 days now, and it's supposed to rain more for the next 3 or 4 days. So I'm out in the high tunnel fixing to install some strings on my tomato plants to hold these babies up. So I'll stick around and I'll see if I can get this done. I've never done it before, but time to learn something new. Old dogs learn new tricks. Y'all stick around. Okay guys, I'm back out here in the high tunnel getting the string and tomato clamps lined up, going from the ceiling down, and we'll see how this works out. I've never done it before, but I'm gonna give it a try. I'm gonna try it on this blackberry bush too. It's getting so out of control, but there's lots of blackberries growing on it, so hopefully I get some good ones. I'm fixing to work on this one right here at the moment. I'm gonna run one to there, then go up there too and run another string. I got some kind of fungus going on with this tomato plant. I don't know what's going on. Well, I got extra if it don't hold up. Couple more clips. Already. Well, it looks like it works out pretty good. Got it up off the dirt, and it's a hanging. Hopefully it's strong enough to hold after tomatoes start growing. If not, I'll brace it up somewhere or another. Well, I see people use these all the time. This one's, I think, got tomatoes on it already. Yep. Let me find them. There's some tomatoes right there. Found my finger. Some there and some down in there. Hard to see. I need to prune this bush a little bit more. Well, with not that many bees out, I'm surprised it's holding up. So let me get this other one strung up and see how it goes. Two more here, it looks like. Two more plants here. I need to run 2-string lines. Yeah, I moved all the tubs and put some black cloth down. Starting to have an ant problem, and I don't know what to do about the ants in these tubs. Anybody got suggestions on how to control the ants in the tubs? Let me know. I'm still new at it. Needs more clips. Bush. Get the right hand hold. I'm learning. I'll get it here in a minute. It would probably help if I had help. Oh well. we're gonna try this and see how it holds up. As they grow, you just keep clipping them on up. Just let them grow up the string, and hopefully that string will hold enough weight. I didn't check the string to see how much it would hold, but it's supposed to be for gardening. Got it from Amazon. Here's the package. There's the package. So, that should hold it up. So I'm gonna work on this blackberry bush and I'll get right back with y'all. Well guys, I got the blackberry bush strung up. Got the tomato clips on it. Got her standing up a little bit better. I need to read up on these a little bit more and learn how to take care of them better. But it's full of blackberries. I seem to have a hard time finding what I'm shooting. There's some. There's one. It's full of them. Full of flowers. Got petals laying everywhere. I guess the wind pollinated them because I haven't seen no bees out here. But there's a bunch of tomato plants down there I never got around to planting. I run out of room. This pepper bush don't look too good. I think my wife's overwatering everything. Got more tomato plants there. I think this is a couple of her mariachi peppers plants. We're gonna have produce pretty soon. Well, my cilantro's not doing too great. I think she put too much water in it. This has got to be volunteer cucumbers because that's what I planted here before. But I'll let them grow and see what it is. It's got to be. That's why I had this trellis right here to let the cucumbers grow up it. Carrots, I need to separate the carrots. Got some green beans. I need to get rid of this lettuce. It's going to seed. I need to know how to get the seeds for it. A lot of things I don't know about growing. Got tomatoes on that one. I got to get this one hung up, but I'll do that later. It's a pretty good sized tomato right there. I can see it on camera. Where are you? My finger. There it is. There's that tomato. And lettuce, more tomatoes. Habanero plants, they're slowly coming up. I guess, I don't know if they're slow growing pepper or what. But they're growing. So, and my chive's going to seed. I need to get the seeds out of this and save them. But I still got to get some dirt for this. Haven't got that filled up. But at the moment, it isn't raining. At the moment, it's been raining for 3 or 4 days now, but not real heavy. Brandy's got all kinds of peppers growing around here. But hey, I'm gonna end this video right here and get back to work hanging them tomatoes up. I just want to show y'all the way I'm hanging them, and I guess that's the way you do it. I'm not for sure. I've never done it. But we love y'all. Y'all keep watching and subscribing and liking. We sure appreciate y'all helping us out. And as always, please subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll make you some more videos. Bye, y'all.